Get up! Stop struggling, you stupid pig! Help! Help me, please! They're gone! Officer, you have to help me! I just discovered the theft! My equipment is gone, they left tire tracks everywhere! Please, hurry!
Officers, thank goodness you're here.
You won't believe it! Everything was locked up tight last night, I swear! Look at these tracks, they must have used heavy machinery!
Where exactly did you notice the discrepancy this morning, sir?
They took the tractor, I just know it! Look where they turned! Prints are deep, recent, looks like heavy tread.
Keep following the tracks and they turn up ahead by the old mill. He couldn't have gotten far yet.
There, look! Fresh tracks leading down to the river.
I see it.
We've got the cow secured.
All right, let's get the horse down slowly.
Thank you both.
I'm just relieved they're safe.